Welcome back, guys. It's Alon here for AcornProductions, and thank you for joining me. It's another weekly recap, and we're going to have a quick look over the portfolio and what changes have occurred. Now, before any further ado, we are officially in the green 1 week into our reshuffle, which is a very good change, especially since, not our best 2 months in the past. It was, not the best 2 months in general for the entire stock market, which probably did affect us, but that's no excuse. And we're looking at finishing the year strong. Now, if we move on to our holdings, let's have a quick look. We have actually had a bit of the tech stocks boom quite well. These were a little bit left over from, I didn't want to sell everything off from what we had in the last 2 months. And it was a little bit of a good hold. They've rebounded well. Interestingly enough, Coinbase and MicroStrategies are performing well again for us. These are just a few percentages, but it's a little bit of a wave. There was a little bit of crypto enthusiasm, but it has seemed to retrace a bit. Semiconductor ETF always doing well for us. Here we have a few of our core holdings. Surprisingly, silver up here, taking a bit of a lead because gold is not doing well. So funny that silver is doing well. Now, Estée Lauder is for one time in all of its history not losing us money, which is very nice. We do actually probably need to make a video if stop losses are necessary or not, which will be a very interesting concept for us. And I'm very happy to see the India ETF doing well for us. Now, a little bit about our losers. Everything, this is negligible. But we have, surprisingly, Amazon not doing as well as the other tech stocks. We're losing here. This is our long-term bonds, but actually this is paying an extremely good dividend. I really don't see it staying low. Anyway, this is in the cash part of our portfolio. Now we have all of the cryptos besides Bitcoin surprisingly not doing well. So Bitcoin and ETH did quite well earlier in the week, but they retraced, and as you know, the small ones don't bounce back as well. Now, there's not too much to share this week, guys. I'm looking forward to starting to focus more on the videos that aren't the recaps, unless there's something big to share. The recaps I just wanted as a way to stay in touch always, to know what's going on with the portfolio, especially as, the followers and the copiers accumulate. I am planning for the channel to be a little bit bigger than just weekly recaps, and we'll slowly build that into the future. If you're watching, I really appreciate you. I'd love to know what you think, what additions you think we can add, and where do you think they fit into our portfolio and our strategy. More videos to come, guys. All the best.